Listening and Speaking Practice, Part 1. Situation at the school. 1. First day of school. How was your first day of school?
Very interesting.
What do you prepare for the first day of school?
2 notebooks, a ruler, an eraser, and 2 pencils.
Is the school big or small?
The school is so big. There are a lot of students in the yard.
What about the teachers?
The teachers are friendly.
How many people are there in your class?
About 15 people.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school.
Two, homework.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Please hand in your homework.
Which homework, Lisa?
Fill in the blank homework.
Oh no! Did you do your homework?
Yes, I did.
I forgot to do my homework.
Teacher, this is my homework.
Well done, Lisa. Thank you. Where's your homework, Tom?
Sorry, teacher. I forgot to do my homework.
It's okay. Please go to the board to do this homework, Tom. After that, we'll correct it together.
Thank you, teacher.
Three, I'm hungry. Do you like math?
Yes, I like it. What about you? Do you like math?
Yes, but I prefer English.
I like English too.
What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock now.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not hungry. Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
What did you eat for breakfast?
Bread and milk.
I had a big breakfast, so I'm full now.
I'm hungry, so I can't focus on the lesson.
Keep quiet, class.
Keep your eyes on the board.